Unlock the Secrets of Peep Sight, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating phrase that often perplexes learners: peep sight. Whether you're a budding marksman, a curious linguist, or someone interested in the idiosyncrasies of English, you're in the right place. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. So let's get started and uncover the insights behind this intriguing term. First things first, let's define our term. A peep sight is not a phrase you'll come across in everyday conversation. In fact, it's a technical term used primarily in the context of firearms and archery. It refers to a small device used for aiming, which allows the user to peep through a small hole to focus on the target. The sight helps ensure accuracy and precision when aiming at a distance. Understanding the etymology or the origin of phrases can be incredibly helpful in remembering and using them correctly. Peep comes from the Middle English word pepen, which means to look or glance quickly or furtively. The word sight in English has long been used to refer to devices that aid in seeing or looking at something more clearly. Combined, peep sight brings both meanings into focus, looking through a small aperture to aim better. Now, let's put our phrase into action. How would you use peep sight in a sentence? Here are a few examples. He adjusted the peep sight on his rifle for better accuracy. Archery enthusiasts often debate over the best type of peep sight for competition. I had difficulty lining up the shot until I got a new peep sight for my bow. When learning new phrases, context is king. Peep sight is a great example of a term whose meaning is highly contextual. It's worth noting that outside of shooting or archery, the word peep alone can be used to mean a quick or sneaky look, whereas sight could mean the ability to see, or a device to aid in this. And that's a wrap on peep sight. Now you know what it means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, learning English is like archery. It takes practice, precision, and the right tools. Words are your equipment, and understanding them is your skill. Keep practicing, and soon you'll hit the bullseye in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Until next time, keep on learning and stay curious.